NRI Nature's Gift Organic Supplement is researched and designed specially for cardiovascular challenges, high blood pressure, Parkinson's disease, stroke and partial paralysis, epilepsy and brain-related challenges. NRI Nature's Gift Organic Supplement is a quick respondent to nervous disorder and seizure. For good reasons, nature is fair and just with this amazing natural remedy approved by NAFDAC. Manufactured in Nigeria by Universal Alternative Therapy Discovery. It's available at pharmaceutical stores and NRI approved distributors nationwide. Dosage and prescription varies. Contact NRI for professional guide and prescriptions. Visit www.nrilimited.com. Nature's Renaissance International Limited, NRI. Good health and abundant wealth. Keep all supplements out of the reach of children.